Mupirocin is an antibiotic cream used to treat bacterial skin infections, primarily those caused by Staphylococcus aureus and Streptococcus pyogenes. It's used for the below-mentioned conditions including impetigo, a contagious skin infection often seen in children; folliculitis, infection of hair follicles; infected eczema, eczema that has become infected; minor cuts and scrapes, to prevent infection in minor wounds. Let's see how to use Mupirocin. Clean your hands before applying the cream, and gently clean the area with soap and water, then pat dry. For adult and children, apply a small amount, usually a pea-sized amount of Mupirocin cream to the affected area. Apply the cream 2 to 3 times daily, depending on the severity of the infection. Duration. Treatment usually lasts 7 to 14 days, as prescribed by a healthcare professional. After application, wash your hands to prevent spreading the medication. Side effects for this cream include skin irritation, burning, stinging, or itching, rash, redness, allergic reactions. Some important instruction related to creams are: if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your doctor or healthcare before use. Do not apply Mupirocin to your eyes. Store at room temperature below 30 degrees Celsius. If you have any question or suggestion, just drop below, we will answer that.